got a pickup truck. Come on, let's go get it stuck somewhere out in the woods. 'Cause that's really creepy and that's what we do, yeah. Come on, girl, climb up in the truck, yeah, yeah. A cold Bud Light on a Saturday night underneath this pale moonlight. I got a pickup truck, yeah, 'cause my daddy fixed it up. I got a pickup truck, yeah, it's a little jacked up. Come on, let's go get it stuck somewhere out in the woods, 'cause that's a little creepy, yeah, girl, but that's what it's all about. Yeah, girl, climb up in this truck, 'cause I got a pickup truck. Yeah, it's a little jacked up, only 'cause my daddy fixed it up. I don't got no cash or a job, but girl, climb up in the truck. Yeah, I know it sounds a little weird,